I have been honored to edit Dr. Mustafa Khattab's work for some time now, and I just got another in the mail, so I wanted to share this with you, a little unboxing of volume 3. There we are. This edition is the third one. It's Surah 10 to 28. So, like the other editions, it's a nice hardcover book. Beautiful, colorful illustrations on the inside. I'm looking for my name. I always look for my name. See, there's me. There's a beautiful message to parents and teachers. Wonderful introduction. Little transliteration guide. A glossary, which is really important, understanding different aspects of the tafsir. Side stories, different kinds of, contemporary stories to share, and background stories of higher level tafsir for the children to study. One of the basic wonderful things about it is that it has very easy to read Arabic script right beside the English. Here's a section I can read to you. Accepting the Quran. The faithful among those who were given the book are happy for what has been revealed to you, O Prophet, while some others deny parts of it. Say, I have only been commanded to worship Allah, making none equal to Him. To Him I invite all, and to Him is my return. And so we have revealed it as an authority in Arabic. And if you followed their desires after all the knowledge that has come to you, there would be none to protect you or shield you from Allah. This is Ayah 36 in Surah Al-Ra'd. I have just finished the last editing piece for the last book. So altogether there are 4 books. They are divided amongst the length of the surahs. So the last one I finished, it has Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Imran, all the big surahs in it. My collection is not quite complete because I have wait for the one that I just finished editing to come in the mail next year, inshallah. So if you haven't already, invest in getting the Clear Quran for Kids. It's an excellent tafsir to have in the house. It'll benefit everybody in the whole family. This is a real treasure to have. I wish that I had it when my other children were younger, but alhamdulillah, my children are benefiting from it now. I'm benefiting from it. Get the Clear Quran for Kids.